Hello and happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful, what do we have, 2 weeks left to Christmas? Oh, well, it won't be long now. And Christmas will be here. Hi, everybody. We'll wait for a few friends to get on. I know sometimes that takes a minute. But I promise you, we will not be here long. Try to make it nice and expedient for everybody. Hi, Angela. Hi, Terry. Let's see. Make sure I have everything that I need. Pull in, I'm going to need my ink here. Do some super cute things here. Well, I'll leave that right there. All right. Hi, Terry. Hi, Heather. Good evening, my friends. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started. I am going to just first remind everyone that our new catalogs are out. They're not live for customers, though, until January. But they're out, and I'm sure that people are getting their hands on them. I know my customers will have these to hopefully tomorrow night to have a little peek through and be able to see the things that are coming for Celebration and things like that. And if you don't know, Celebration is, hi, Bonnie. Hi, Laura. Hi, Patty. Celebration is a time when you buy $50 out of this catalog and you get some goodies free. It is an awesome time every year. We always love that. I'm going to put these up here. Okay, so I'm going to get right to it. We're going to go ahead and get started, and because it's super simple, super easy today. So what I'm making, let me show you what I'm making. This is what I'm making. We are going to make this adorable box. So my whole Christmas series is about doing treats and things like that to get us ready for Christmas. And today's, I guess, treat or project is going to be this one. And it's super easy, I promise. Hi, Marianne. It's so easy to put this together. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make this box. And, the treats are from, well, let's see, this one is from, they're both from Walmart. Here, let me pull this out. So that is it's just a little gingerbread man. And these are hot chocolate chocolates. So you put these in your hot chocolate. How cute, right? So these are hot chocolate chocolates. And then a candy cane. And you can just stuff these in here, and they fit both perfectly. They fit this perfectly. This box is so, so good for candies and treats that you have about this size. It'll look perfect on your table, I promise you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in making this. Maybe I'll put this right here so we can still see it, okay? We are going to be using Real Red, and I chose to use the snowman. Yeah, that's right. This one, the snowman season. Again, I'm going to get the most out of this for real. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Chris. Oh my goodness. So before I always do this, before I get started, I want to thank everyone for coming on and watching the replay for sure. And thank you for, taking time out of your busy week to come and sit with me. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what do we have here? I have a piece of cardstock that is cut by 11 inches by 7. So what I did was I cut and scored it, and what I'm going to do it with you because some people might have questions on cutting and which side and stuff like that. So I'm going to do it with you and just show you how it's supposed to be. And then, once I get done, I'm going to show you guys the surprise, okay? Totally going to be worth totally going to be worth the surprise. All right, so this is what it's going to look like once we start cutting into it. It's going to look like this. But let's do that really quick. I'm going to bring out my Simply Scored here because it's going to be easier to do on my Simply Scored. Not the cutting. I do need to do the cutting, so let me cut first. The scoring is going to be easier there, but let me do the cutting first. So like I said, we needed what? 11 by 7. It's already 11, so we're going to take the other side, which is the 8.5 side, and we're going to go right up to the 7-inch tick mark right there, right where it says 7, and we're going to put this in the right way. And then we're going to go ahead and we're just going to cut. And there you go. You are all set to make this box. How easy is that? One cut. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we are going to take our score tool. Now, the reason why I chose to do it on this as opposed to just do it in my trimmer, which I always do, is because you can get it all done at one time on here. You don't have to lift out the arm or anything like that. So how we're going to score this, let me sit down and do this with you. So how we're going to do this, this is the long edge, which would be the 11-inch side. And the short edge would be the 7-inch side, 11-inch side. So we're going to take the 11-inch side and then we're going to score at 4.5. We come to 4. Can you guys see that? I'm not sure. Yeah, kind of, sort of. 4.5. And then we'll score down at 4.5, and then we're going to go over to 6.5, 6.5, just like that. Okay, then we're going to turn it to the short side, which is this side, which would be the 7-inch side, and we're going to score this at 2 inches all the way down, and we go over to 5 all the way down. Okay, and that's it. That is totally it. Okay, so we've got our scoring done. We've did our cutting. We are almost there. You guys, I promise you, I am trying to bring you guys stuff that you can get done in little to no time. All right, so we have our scoring done. You see my score lines. That's going to bring us to this one. So let's go ahead and let's finish this one. So what do I have here? I have the score lines that we all did. And then all I did was cut here because we have these 2 score lines that are right here. I want to cut up on these score lines just like this. Super easy. And what I did differently on this side is I just cut in a little bit on the sides right here. Nothing hard. Super easy. And I know I keep saying it's easy because I do it a million times, but you guys watch this and you tell me whether or not it's easy, okay? So we have all our cuts done. That's all the cutting that I'm going to do. I'm going to take out my bone folder, move that over. And then I'm going to score. I'm going to burnish all of those scores that I did, right? With the Simply Scored. Turn this around. Whoops. Turn around, fold over, and then fold here all the way over. And then the last ones are going to be this one right here, and then this one right here. And then you're done. All of this is all scored, or all scored, all folded, perfect, right? So now what we need to do is just find out which way we're going to do. We want to do it this way, we want to do it this way, totally up to you, however you want to do it. However, we then need to have our sides, our panels. And our panels, bring this back over, are what you see here. So we have one panel on this side and one panel on the back side, which you totally don't have to do if you don't want to, but it looks super cute if you do. And this I'm using, whoops, whoa, my light's falling down. Okay, we'll put it over here. Okay, so I'm using, I think this is called Wrapped in Plaid. And we're going to put these 2 on the end because we know that those 2 fold up. So this is probably going to go that way. All right, so let's get our snail and have my snail out. And this Wrapped in Plaid was absolutely wonderful for the holiday season. I super loved it. Super loved it. And I don't think there's like any paper I didn't love, except for the snowman, the Let It Snow. I think that one was my favorite. I should have got more because I absolutely love that one. I love this one too, don't get me wrong. But so let's see, let's put this here. I will make sure that I answer all your comments when I come back. When I come back on, to make sure that I don't miss anything. All right, so we have this on. How easy was that? Right? All right, now so we have all these scored again. All these, I keep saying scored. I meant burnish, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to make a box. And it's going to go just like this. And then it's good. How easy is that? So simple. Okay, so what you need to do is just decide which side you want to have your glue on. Now, I'm going to put tear tape. And I'm only going to use tear tape. Well, I was thinking about using snail, but then I was like, yeah, I think I'm going to use tear tape. I'm just going to use tear tape right here on the outside of this. Just like this. And I would definitely, when I'm making these for people, I would definitely use a lot as opposed to a little. Only because you don't want it to, to come apart or anything like that. And now I'm going to use my little paper piercer just to take these off. And you can also do snail and glue in different places. So you could glue these down like this if you want to give it a more steady kind of bottom. You can do it that way too. But for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to do this one part. I'm going to fold this up. This is on the inside. Push that in. This is on the inside. And like I said, you're going to put a lot more on. We could totally do, how about we do this? Just so that it doesn't fall apart. I really don't want it to. And then I don't have to go back and do it. Ha ha. I know, smart thinking, smart thinking. All right, so those are in. These are in. And then we're going to go just like this. Whoops, sorry, I'm totally off camera on that one. And then this one's gonna go just like this. Just line up the sides. And then take your bone folder, go inside and just rub it like that so that you can get all of that glue, all your adhesive sticking together. And wow, look at that. Perfect. Okay, so we have that part done. Now what we wanna do, we wanna do some stamping. And my paper just fell out, so we need a belly band. So let me tell you about this belly band. I could sit with a belly band and be like, okay, what are the score lines for the belly band? And it will be off every single time. I think I tried to make this belly band down here like 6 times. You guys know I'm not great in math, so I'm going to show you what I did. But first we're going to do some stamping. Super easy stamping. Makes life easy, right? All right. We've got the Let It Snow from the snowman season. And all we're doing is just trying to get that right in the middle. Perfect. Which we love. Then we're going to use this is Smoky Slate. And Smoky Slate is like my go-to when I want to do something that's super, super light in the background. We are stamping full strength, stamping off, and then stamping on. Stamping full strength, stamping off, stamping on. And super, super easy. Let it snow. Of course. Yes, we'll let it snow. Pretty, pretty. And there you go. We're done. Done with that part. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take this, our sentiment, put a little snail on the back, adhere that right on there, and we've got our bow where we need some glue dots. Oh, I'm almost out of glue dots. Oh, goodness. Here we go. Glue dot, and then we're just going to add that to it. And then the very, very last thing that we need are probably some some dimensionals. We want to make sure it's stuck on to the belly band when we get it on there. So I'm putting this way because I'm going to put the belly band on, okay? All right, so let's do this. We have our focal point, belly band, box is all done. What we're gonna do is let's see, I'm gonna take this one out of here, throw this in there, and a chocolate. There we go, chocolate. Okay, so we have our buddies in there. They're all sitting in there. And so we're gonna do this belly band. So this is how I did the belly band. I took some tear tape, I took some tear tape, put it on the end of my belly band. I know it's gonna be 11 inches because that's, that's where I measured it to be. And let's see, here it is. Oh, my paper piercer fell down here. And I'm just going to take this off because I know that's kind of, that's where I want it to be. And I know I only want it that long. Super easy. I'm going to put that in the front. And I'm going to squish this over, guys. I'm just going to take it and squish it. I'm actually kind of like pinching the sides as I go through every one of them. Pinching the sides. And I'm going to lay that there. And I'm going to lay this right on here, just like this. And wow, look at that. Perfect. And then I have my dimensionals. I'm going to take these off of my dimensionals and bam. Look at that. How easy was that? Okay, so that's your box. That is literally your box. Now you can put stuffings and things like that in your box. Let's see. Look at it. You could take these out and you could put stuffing on the inside of your boxes. I don't know if you can actually see down in there, but you could put stuffing down like that. The shredding stuff, you can put that down there if you'd like. And you have a candy cane and all this sort of goodies. And this is one I did with, it's the same thing. It's the exact same thing. I did this with the snowman, Let It Snow paper. I forgot my little hoo-haws, my dealies as Miss Betty calls them. And I'm just going to put one right here for right now. And then they are all done, right? Super cute, so easy. You guys are going to absolutely love this. And how do I know you're going to love it? Because look at this. Ta-da! It's done early. I have it ready for you. So the whole thing is ready. It's going to be posted right after this. You don't have to wait until tomorrow. I have this all done for you. So all the measurements, where you're going to score, all that good stuff are right here. And it's all done. So all you have to do is just give me like 2 minutes to get it done. Load it up onto the Facebook page, and then you'll have this so you guys can make this, okay? And I promise you they're super cute and easy to make. Definitely easy to make. So I hope you guys really love this project. It is so easy, so simple to do, and you guys are going to love it. So I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me another Wednesday. I will see you next Wednesday. Next Wednesday is going to be our last one, I think. I'll have to check. We might have 1 or 2 more, but because Christmas is coming, so you won't need them pretty much like at Christmas time. You won't need them, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching the replay and hanging in there with me and sticking in there with me. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys later. Have a good night. Bye.